Introducing the Autonomous Travel Suite, a driverless mobile suite which offers door-to-door transportation in a compact suite-like environment. It offers sleeping, working, and washing units, letting travelers use their travel time more efficiently and productively. Using autonomous driving technology, the Travel Suite brings you to multiple destinations, working as your personal vehicle and mobile hotel room. The Travel Suites are operated by the Autonomous Hotel Chain, which is a network of hotel facilities, offering stationary parent units and public amenities, which can be added individually depending on the traveler's need. It provides public amenities, such as food and beverage, meeting rooms, spa, pool, and gym, along with housekeeping, maintenance, and charging services for the Travel Suites. Once the Travel Suite arrives at the autonomous hotel, it automatically docks into the parent suite, forming an upscale integrated unit. The Autonomous Travel Suite is a new form of hospitality, merging transportation and hotel into one form, offering flexible travel schedules, lower costs, privacy, and mostly comfort. Integrated with future advanced technologies, the Travel Suite will become your companion, changing your journey into a destination. No more worries of flight delays, security checks, long taxi waits, and exhausting transfers. Enjoy the freedom of your journey. Autonomous Travel Suite. Your space traveling with you.